Nate, can you help me with this chair real quick?
Oh yeah, sure.
Hey, sorry about the mess.
No worries. Weren't expecting any company?
Yeah, the maid's out of town this week. You hungry? I can order Thai food.
Nah, if it's alright with you, I'd actually like to get straight to business. Beautiful home you got.
You came here to talk about my house? This is the business you wanted to discuss?
No, I'll tell you about the idea I have. It's set in 2005. It's this 19, 20-year-old kid wins one of those radio jock contests. He gets to set, and everyone hates him. He's kind of seen as an outsider by the porn stars, the director, the radio show hosts. But as the story goes on, he gets to know him a little better, and he gets really close with one of the radio stars who tells him they hate their coworker. And by the end of the film, he actually ends up getting this coworker fired.
It's a sex comedy.
No, it's more Boogie Nights meets Almost Famous. So, do you like my film?
Honestly, I like it.
Really?
Let's do it.
Awesome.
Welcome to the family. Let's celebrate. You gonna make me get high alone?
So I was thinking for the lead actor, maybe we have a nobody.
I want Chalamet.
Oh. You think he'll do it?
Let's talk money. You alright? First time playing in the snow?
I have to go to the bathroom.
You alright? Is it the Thai food?
No, I've never done coke before.
Welcome to Hollywood.
What is this?
Whiskey ginger. Drink it. It'll help with your stomach. Fucking Chacha always makes me sweat. We should go swimming.
Nah, didn't bring my bathing suit.
So what? Go skinny dipping. You afraid I'm gonna see your wee-wee?
What?
It's a fucking joke. Drink your drink. Why don't you want to drink your drink?
So what's it going to take for us to start production?
Even when he's sick, he's thinking about making movies. You're gonna be a player, kid.
What the fuck?
Relax. Sit down. You're getting excited. You learn fast.
So you're going to make my movie? Tell me, what do I have to do?